Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. A few days ago, Adobe rolled out Photoshop 2026, which included several filters that were previously available in the beta version. I recently uploaded a separate tutorial on my favorite one, the Harmonize filter, and I've included its link in my video's description if you'd like to check it out. Today, I'll show you 3 more new filters added to 2026 that enhances, upscales, and sharpens your photos. If you haven't downloaded version 2026 yet, open your Creative Cloud app, head to Home, and click Updates. Here we can download them. Let's start with an image of this lion. If you'd like to use it as well, I provided its link in my video's description or project files. To fit it onto your canvas, press Ctrl or Command 0. The image measures just 600 by 400 pixels with a resolution of 72 pixels per inch. Notice how we see a new message in this window that allows us to upscale the image directly in Generative Upscale. However, if the image size window isn't open, go to Image and Generative Upscale. Open the AI model list and you'll see 3 options: Firefly Upscaler, Topaz Gigapixel, and Topaz Bloom. Topaz Gigapixel is for realistic high-fidelity upscaling of traditional photographs. It preserves original details for maximum realism. Topaz Bloom uses what they call creative upscaling to reinterpret and add new artistic details, especially in AI-generated or digital art. The Topaz filters are partner models, which are considered premium and require more generative credits than the Firefly Upscaler. So you might be asking yourself, yeah, but Marty, what's the deal with generative credits? So to answer all of those questions, I provided the Adobe link that answers all questions related to generative credits, such as the number of credits each AI model uses and how many credits you have in your Creative Cloud plan. Since we're upscaling a standard photo, I'll select Topaz Gigapixel, which I think generally delivers better results than the Firefly Upscaler, though it does require more generative credits. You can also enable face recovery, which uses AI to reinterpret and enhance facial features during the upscaling process. We can choose to double or quadruple the image size, so let's go with 4x. We'll see the new dimensions displayed here. It takes between 10 to 20 seconds to process, so I'll speed it up. Here's the before, and here's the after. Check out how noticeably sharper and more defined the upscaled image is, even though it's 4 times larger than the original. Next, we'll sharpen the image even more with the new AI Sharpen filter. Go to Filter and AI Sharpen. Bam! Here's the before, and here's the after. I'll fit it onto my canvas. To compare the size of the original to the upscaled version, I'll open the original lion image and drag it onto the tab of the upscaled version. Then I'll drag it down and release. It really did an amazing job. By the way, I recently published a full review and tutorial on the AI Arty Image Enhancer, which takes upscaling and image enhancement even further. It enlarges images up to 8 times, not just 4 times their original size, and reaches resolution up to 32K with stunning clarity. If you'd like to watch the video, I included the link in this video's description. Finally, let's explore the new filter designed to remove noise and grain while restoring detail in low-light photos. For this example, I'll open an image that clearly has a lot of grain and noise. Then I'll go to Filter and AI Denoise. As I toggle before and after, we can see how well it removed all the grain and noise from the photo. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching.